Hello everyone, welcome to today's design segment. My name is Rona and I'm so excited to be working with you on this project. What I'm demoing to you today is one of the digital apps that I use that you can download and utilize in your own design projects. What you're going to hear pretty soon is a voiceover of me actually going through the demo. So take a listen. Because I don't know what the ceiling height is, the app is asking me to get the ceiling measurement as well as the floor measurement. So it's saying align horizontal to the base of the wall. Now I'm simply following the prompts that are provided by the app directly to me through my vision of the camera, through the lens of the camera. And I'm capturing each of the measurements based on each of the questions that it provides. And what I love about this app is that once you have completed each phase, it gives you the opportunity to go back and go up or down, left or right, pivot, so that you're able to capture near time perfect measurements. Take a listen. It puts a little cone there. Move over here and indoor, capture that measurement. Boom, we got that. So now the interesting thing about doing this particular space is that first of all, it is on the lower level. So there's also a bathroom outside of this room next door. That room right there is actually the closet, which makes it a wonderful space that can be easily identified as a bedroom. As a matter of fact, when I first answered the questions that were prompted by the app, I basically designated this space as a bedroom. But as you'll see, as we move further into the video, I give myself an opportunity to design it as a multi-purpose use space with anticipating that eventually someone will be staying overnight in this particular space. Awesome. So, as you can see, it captured this room almost perfectly. This gives me a rough idea of what the space looks like. We have the door right here, as well as the door right here. Then I would just do a few other precise measurements, capture the window, and any other dimensions that we need for whatever we're going to be doing in the space. On the measuring tip, before you bring in heavy furniture, invest in a very inexpensive roll of craft paper. You can get it at any store that has paper wrap, or get these rolls at Home Depot. And what you can do with this is basically measure out what you think the size of the furniture should be for the room before you go and buy it. And that way you can make sure you gauge the space to make sure you have circulation on either side. And when I say circulation, I mean, what do you put behind that piece of furniture? Your end tables, any type of cocktail tables or side tables or consoles. That way you don't fill your space with a lot of extra furniture. Now, once I complete the measurements, I take a copy of that floor plan and upload it into my software so that I can do some space planning and actually look at how pieces would look in this room. This is the opportunity where you and I would work together in order to, first of all, determine how the space is going to be utilized, but then which pieces will work best in this particular space. There are so many different options, and what I wanted to do is demonstrate to you how I would be able to help you to look at multiple uses for just about any room, any floor in your home design. I'd like to get some feedback on what it is that you think you would use this space for. Also, tell me if you like the video. Hit the thumbs up button and feel free to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be doing all types of tutorials utilizing different floor plans as well as field trips to some of the stores where I'm selecting specific pieces that match what I'm providing in the design demo. Now, if I'm working on a design project with you in mind, one of the things that I would also do is take a look at your existing pieces and see where we would be able to utilize those throughout that design project. Because it doesn't make sense to go out and buy all new furniture unless you have that planned in the budget. Speaking of the budget, be sure to download the 7 Elements of Design Budget Planner from my website at dmvinteriors.com. And also be sure to include any key details such as the type of room as well as the dimensions of your space. Thank you again for joining me today. I look forward to seeing you in the next design video.